Well, hello there, everybody. Welcome to a Leo moon. This will be my last video until school starts. I know. School starts in just a few days. Do you guys know what we're going to be learning? I really hope you have a lesson planned. Me? I'm supposed to plan the lessons? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm more of like a dreamer and a what should we talk about today, kids kind of person with a loose curriculum. I look at it like this. It's kindergarten. It's preschool. Astrology here. It's spirituality, baseline. These are fundamentals. Everybody gets along here. All religions welcome. Everybody's equal. Everybody's saying the same thing. Hey guys, let's talk about how our language might be different, but how might we be saying the same thing? That's more like here at school, and to do all that, we just have to see how it grows. So what are we learning when school starts? Do you guys want to do breakdowns of Disney stuff? Do you want to? Am I worried Disney's going to sue me? No. By the way, Disney Channel app is $1.99 right now for 3 months. I know. It's like an amazing price. So if you don't have Disney app, you better get it because we're gonna be using Disney like we just are. I might get sued because I didn't ask. But all rights are reserved by Disney. They're fantastic. I find that studying and learning astrology is so much easier when we pair it with characters that we know and love so well. Now, I could just make stories, and then we can learn from them, and we will do that. But learning from Disney characters is a lot easier because we already know the stories so well, and we feel the stories. And here at Kindergarten Astrology, our Junior Astrologers Club, and our Tarot Club, we feel. That's what we do. We follow the moon. Hi. Some people call me the moon. I haven't introduced myself yet. Somebody told me I needed an intro and I needed to be more professional. Hello, I'm Jade Coral. Is that more professional? Hello, I am Jade Coral, also known as the Underwater Witch. And sometimes I am just the Underwater Witch, and sometimes I am just Jade Coral. But today, I am glamorous and intelligent, and I am both. I know. It's Leo. It's a Leo moon. Can you tell? A little bit? It's my hair, and the gold, and the sunglasses. The moon is in Leo right now. And in Leo, we shine like the sun. See, the planet that goes along with Leo is the sun. I know. Do you remember last episode I told you guys what we were going to talk about next, which was with this Venus and Scorpio right now? And it's worth mentioning. So Venus will be there until, right before the full moon in Libra. The Venus will be in Scorpio. So we have a couple weeks still of this. But it's a big change. It feels like a big shift energy-wise, at least for me. And maybe other people felt it too, but they weren't quite sure what they were feeling. This love energy in our desire. So Scorpio is all about our desire. Venus is all about love, but you guys see Venus? I know, it's really small on the board. I hope one day to get new cameras and stuff, but this is where we're at, so we'll just make do. So why are we talking about Venus and Scorpio with a Leo moon? Can anybody guess? Do you have any guesses? What similarities do the Sun and Venus have? Yeah, love. Okay, let me ask you a question. If the Sun and Venus were competing for who loves the most, who would it be? Oh, that's a question for you to think about today. I have my own suspicions, and well, basically, would we be living here on Earth if we only had Venus in the sky and not the sun? No, that would not happen. We need the love of the sun. We need the shining rays of the sun's energy for us on Earth and other planets around us to have this growth experience, right? This love, this must move forward kind of an energy comes from the sun. So when our emotions, when the moon is over here with the sun, what do you think that does? I know. Our emotions are full of love and creativity today. I know, when the sun is in Leo. Now with Venus and Scorpio right here, Venus is about love, but see, it's green. So what kind of sign it is? What element? Yeah, Earth. So Venus is about love, but more about the love of in physical stuff. So the love of things in the world of stuff. Somehow, this could be your friends, this could be, your books, this could be all kinds of stuff. But Venus is more of the love of stuff and your desire. Okay, let me put this together to you, and I'm going to give you a prediction, okay, of what I think is going to happen in the sky. This is my astrology prediction. The sun is in Libra, right? We know that. Sun is in Libra, which is all about balance and our relationships in the world. And now we have this love energy in our desire, what we want. And we have this extra feeling moon love energy. All happening at the same time today. My prediction is that a lot of people are going to fall in love. Yeah. That doesn't necessarily mean with other people. You could rescue a pet, which is predicted for a lot of you for this month, actually, for Libra. Not buying a pet from a breeder, but a rescue is definitely going to happen for a lot of you. But with this kind of energy, everybody's going to fall in love with something today or this week. It could be a stuffed animal. It could be a book. It could be a song. It could be a whole bunch of stuff. But you're definitely going to fall in love with something. Me? I hope to find the most delicious food ever. That's really what I desire right now. Where is the most delicious food ever? I want to experience the world of stuff with desire energy. I want to eat really good stuff. I know. That doesn't really help me balance in my world right here, in my relationships with other people. But by here making this video, we are doing that together. We are balancing those energies. I know. So today, love deeply, and shine bright as the stars that you are. And remember that we are really all saying the same thing. I know I say it over and over. I'm going to say it probably a million more times because it's true. And that's where we can all come together and say, you know what? Yeah, we are saying the same thing. We just go about it a little differently. And that's okay. And Venus right here, and the moon, and the sun, all the constellations, they are all saying, you know what, humanity? You look lovely today. That's what they're saying. You look lovely. We just love you. You're doing a great job. Clapping over there. I know. It's just fantastic. Well, the moon moves into Virgo the next couple of days. It'll be here. And during this time, Virgo, we learned last month, it's all about putting things where they go, getting things figured out. So I'm going to be probably doing some real last minute school planning. I have been planning for school for years though, so it's all in my head, and it'll come out some way. But I'm going to be spending my time planning, doing some stuff. Today I'm doing some coloring. I have some coloring projects to do for the school, and I have some new stars to make so that we can make traveling stars. I've got lots of fun craft ideas, which is so fantastic for any time, any planet really is visiting Leo. Anytime. We can take that energy and we can be like, hey Leo, let's make something fantastic today. Hopefully, I'll be using this Venus Scorpio energy, this desire and stuff and love stuff energy, to really love my creation while I'm making it and use that energy that the celestials are showing us today. Now, if I am putting in that love into my project, even if it turns out terribly wrong, like yesterday when I messed it up 3 times in a row and I have to start over, if I'm putting that love energy into it, then I can't go wrong, right? I know. So we have full hearts and clear eyes. We can't lose. All right, until next time, friends, I will see you, well, unless something really crazy happens, I'll see you on the new moon solar eclipse. That is my next planned date, and I'm going to take a little break from videos until then. I know, it's only like 4 or 5 days, Jade. Why do you have to announce that? Because, guys, if I don't, people bug me. When are you going to make a video? Where's your video? And I'm like, dog, it's been like 2 hours. We can't just make videos all day long. People have to watch them too. We gotta give people time to watch them. So, just for all the people out there that are gonna bother me about making videos, I so love that you love watching my videos. I just love that. I love it. It's amazing. Me being the Leo I am and the center of attention in this Leo moon, I am definitely loving it today. However, I can see that Virgo moon coming and I'm like, all right, I do love being the center of attention. However, we need to refocus. We need to refocus our energy and get school ready to go because it's going to be here like that. All right, everybody, if you haven't downloaded your Libra calendars, I think they're in club meetings if you check out the website. And course books are available on Amazon. I know y'all have plans, so good luck on your plans, good safety, and if you do adopt a pet, sparkle magic, sparkle magic, sparkle magic. That's all I have to say.